Okay, in this video we're gonna basically make a bunch of Instagram story posts in just a few minutes. First thing you want to do is get your content. So you can get it from ChatGPT, Bard, whatever AI you're doing, or you can make your own. But we're gonna do this. So I want to have like a quote for every single day for the whole year made out. So we'll start out with Monday. Basically just write out 52 motivational positive quotes, including the day of Monday. Mondays are new beginnings. Mondays are like fresh canvases, blah, blah, blah. It goes through, but a lot of times it will stop. So if you have this problem, like it stopped on 39 halfway, just hit continue and it will create some more. Now, what you want to do is copy all this and just put it onto a notepad or whatever, because we're going to bring this into Canva. All right, so basically I got rid of all the quotation marks and just left it like this, right? Okay, so we have this copied. Let's go into Canva and let's add a new design. Okay, you can go on templates too if you want, but we're just going to create this from scratch. So custom size, we're going to do, for a story, we want to do 1080 by 1920. And we'll hit create new design. And we now have our document right here. Okay, so a couple different ways you can do this. Easiest way, you can go to designs and search into templates for quotes, and it has all these quote templates, okay, that you can use. All right, if you want to do your own, which is what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go in elements and I'm going to type in sunrise or sunset, something pretty. Okay, so we can do this a couple different ways. We can have a photo for our background, or we can have a video for our background. So I think I want to do a video background. So let's search for just verticals, and it doesn't have to be anything special. It could just be this one here. This one will probably work out really well. We'll do that, and we'll do set video as background. Okay, so this is only 10 seconds. Alright, so what if we make it bigger? No, 10.2 seconds. So it's probably should have used something a little bit longer. This one's 17. I want something like, I like this, but let's see if there's see more. Yes, see more like this. There's a 20-second one. Oh, I like this one even better. Let's do this one here, and let's see how it stretches. If we double click it, we can kind of move it around and hit done. Okay, I think this will work. Alright, that's good enough. Let's go back to, and you can spend all day on this if you want, however you want to do it. Up to you. Let's type in rectangle. We're going to add a rectangle for a shape. You don't have to do this, but this is something that I want done. We'll put this in the middle, like so. Change the color to black, and we'll bring our transparency down a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that, and this is actually just going to help the text be read a little bit better. We don't have to put this on there. I mean, this ocean is pretty dark. It would probably work out, but I like to put this little square in there. Alright, so let's go into elements. Let's maybe get a quotation mark, and we'll just use this first one. Make it a little bit smaller, and we'll put it up here, or you can put it here in the center. We'll put it in the center. And now we need to add some type. So text, add a heading. Let's type out Monday motivations. And we'll put this up top in the middle. Let's stretch it out a little bit like so. Okay. And now maybe let's play around with the font. So I want to use this one called Buffalo. That is a pro font, but you can find whatever you want in the free. There's a lot of free ones. Okay, so we have it like that, and maybe a curve. Let's see what a curve looks like. Add a little bit of curve to it. Okay. Do we want to animate it too? Maybe a typewriter? That's fabulous. I think I like it like that. And we'll leave it in black. Alright, so the magic step is we need to add some type here. So let's add some type in the middle. And let's make this about, I want to say probably 100 will work out really well. So we have 100. Change our font back to our Buffalo. And let's change our color to, we can do white. We'll just do white, and then we'll add an animation typewriter. Okay, or we could do some weird other things too. I think that drift would actually look pretty good. Where's it stopped? I think I like it. Let's try it with drift, and we'll see. All right, we'll see what it comes up with. All right, so now we need to add those 52 quotes. All right, so what we need to do here is go to bulk create. All right, so if you don't have bulk create on your left hand side, if you've never used it, you won't see that there. So just go to apps and then type in bulk create, and it will come up down here, and you just click on it. Okay, so we're going to enter data manually. Now, if you saved it to a CSV, you could do that, but we're just going to do it manually. Okay, enter data manually. We're going to clear this table out. All right, so let's double click in here, and this top one, we're just going to type out quote, Quote, and then this one, we're going to paste our quotes. Okay, so now we have our 52 Mondays, right? And we'll go ahead and hit done. Alright, now we need to connect this to this heading. So you can right click, connect data, and then we'll just hit quote, and then we'll hit continue. Okay, so now we have our 52 quotes, and now we want to generate 52 pages, or if you want to do 10 or 7, whatever, you would just hit uncheck select all and pick which ones you want. But I want all 52, so that'll have a whole year's worth of Mondays, and we'll hit generate 52 pages, and it's going to generate our 52 pages of quotes. Now let's see what happens. Okay, so we have 13 minutes of Monday motivational quotes. So if we type in our grid here, this is all of our quotes, right? So there's 52 of them. Okay, that's perfect. Okay. You want to kind of go through them and make sure everything's jiving pretty good. It looks alright. I think everything looks good, but you just take your time, and you can make adjustments if needed. But I think everything looks good. So what we want to do here is we want to download these. Okay, so we'll go to share. We're going to hit download. MP4 video, 1080 is fine. All pages, 52. Now, we want to, if you don't have a pro account, you would click in here and do page 1, download, page 2, download. But as a pro subscriber, download pages as separate files. Makes it a lot easier, and we'll just hit download, and it's going to download all those into my downloads. Okay, so once it downloads, it's going to download it into a zip file, so you just click on it and unzip it to wherever you want. So you have all these individual 52 weeks. You just extract them to wherever you're going to extract them to, I'm going to put it into my, we'll just make a new folder, Monday quote posts or stories, whatever you want to call it. Double click on that, double click I said, and then hit select folder, and we hit extract. We can show extracted files when complete. Okay, so now we can preview what they look like, and I think that turned out pretty cool. Has a little drifting text. I think it looks pretty neat. Let's start it over. Let's play it again. There you have it, and it's they're only 13 seconds, so I don't know what happened there. Oh no, 13 seconds left. 15 seconds exactly. So that's pretty cool. And then we can go ahead and close all that. And basically you could just, every Monday you could drag it into your Instagram, or you can set it up on your Canva to post. If you have the pro account, you can schedule everything. But if you wanted to add, if you want to add some other things to this, you could, like maybe add some lines. Let's see, let's go in lines and search, and maybe we have some in graphics. Something like this would look cool. Just maybe make it a little bit smaller, put one right here, duplicate it, flip it, put one up here like so. We'd have to flip vertical too, Christopher, like so. And maybe change the color to orange. Change this color. Maybe move this one up a little bit. And just put this at the bottom of the square. Then you can put your logo down here too. We might as well do that too. Where is my logo at? Is it in my... I know I have it in here somewhere. Boom, right here. Just drag this one down like so, and then maybe you want to animate this too. Animate, rise, and there's so many different things. Breathe would look okay. We could do breathe, and then I'd have to do it on all of them. That's why you want to get your, make sure you get your initial one done correctly. I mean, we could just delete this one and start all over. However you want to do it, but that's how you do it. And then you just repeat the process for your Tuesday through Sunday, however you're going to do it. And then you really have 350, or how many days are in a year? 365 quotes and 20 minutes probably worth of work. And then you can just post them one for each day. Alright, so that is it, how to do it. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Hit subscribe and like, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.